How to add music to Instagram Notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add music to Instagram Notes, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add music to Instagram Notes, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application, and then you can tap the DMs tab from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the DMs tab from the top right, over here you can see notes that other people have added. But did you know that you can also actually add a music to your note? So you can tap the notes tab over here and then just type in any of the notes that you wish to add. Now if you want to add a music to this note, right underneath your profile picture you will find a little music icon. So you can tap on this music icon here and then simply select a music that you would like to add over here. Once you've done that, you can select the length of the music as well, as you would be able to find it. You can also choose the duration of the song that you want, tap the arrow icon, and now the music will get added, and you can tap the share option. This way you can add music to Instagram Notes. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.